You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you not embarrassed?
Thank you. You're beautiful, natural beauty. Yeah, please. So pretty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It's the 1st of January 2022. Happy New Year, y'all. So this is going to be a week in my life, not an actual week, but like random days in different weeks that I'll compile and make into a week. The first time I uploaded a vlog was the 31st of December 2020. I came in with energy. I said I was going to work on my inconsistency. 2021, more videos, more this, more that, big vibes, big energy. Start telling me the type of videos you want to see on my channel, and I'll work on them and my inconsistency. So more content. 2021 vibes. 2021 game, and I give you guys only 2 videos. 365 days round the sun. I gave you guys 2 videos. I'm ashamed of myself. I actually thought 2020 was a lot. I thought 2020 was tough. 2021 had me in a chokehold. I was begging for my life in 2021. We're not going to talk about that. That's not what we're here for. I might talk about it at the end of the video. I have a couple of exciting things I'll be doing, so I'll be sure to film. Days I don't do anything exciting, I'll try and film something, and if I don't, we'll skip to the next day. Today is my grandma's birthday and my cousin's birthday. Actually, my cousin's birthday was 2 days ago, but we decided to celebrate both their birthdays in one day, and that's today. So there'll be a little party for them, so I'll film what I can film. I'll see you in the next clip.
This one I better do with the jabata.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
It's a beautiful world. Hi guys, guess who decided to come unannounced and unwelcome today? My period. With the painkillers in my system right now, I should be fine in an hour or in some minutes because I take a lot. Today is my friend's birthday and I'll be going to her place. I'll be staying with her. We'll be going out later to have dinner. So yeah, that should be fun.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on.
So I guess because of sisters of the wedding girl. Yes. There's another sister behind the camera. It's so pretty. Yes. Aww.
Till 6 in the morning, when the sunrise will be on it. Oh, I got 5, and more so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money at 6 in the morning. When the sunrise will be on it. Oh, I got 5, and go so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, when we gon' slide.
Tô soltando dessa, só que não me quer.
I love you, my love. You are so beautiful. Thank you. You're beautiful. So natural. We are beautiful. I haven't properly introduced the birthday girl. So, birthday girl, come. This is the birthday girl. Take all the beauty. Take it in. Take it in.
It's too late now.
Kill a fat, I'm a dead chocolate. Fine, fine, oh, back at it. Watch your love for like it. Why not more than your body, chocolate. Push it ready.
Punchline, nigga. Afro, nigga.
The way I'm feeling right now, mad over you like run down, down. When they see me, them a frown, but when them girls see me, them a apocalyptic with the champion sound. Champion down, right down, vele vele right down, vele vele right down, right down.
It's Paul Cleverly on the beat.
Because I came out to a conquer. My life is forever gonna shine.
The mic is taller than you.
I'm a sister, sitting my garita for the city and Rita. Guys in New York, taking for me,
Use mommy's phone to call him.
Easy, baby, easy. Find my like easy.
Hi guys, I'm home now. I had an amazing week. I had so much fun. I didn't talk enough and I didn't talk much in certain clips because I'm not used to vlogging, but let's see how this goes. I feel like I said this in the last vlog too, but let's actually see how this goes after I'm done editing. Let's see how everything comes out. And I hope to do more vlogs, more interesting stuff. I'm supposed to resume school on the 17th. and today is the 9th or 10th. I'm supposed to resume on the 17th, and I still have a lot to do, but I'll be fine. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I'm sleepy. I'm about to take a shower now and sleep. So I'll see you in the next clip. Hi, I haven't filmed anything since the night I got back. I got really sick. I don't know if I look like what I've been going through, but I've been through a lot this past few weeks. If you're wondering why it's very quiet and I'm almost whispering, it's because it's like past 1, almost 1:30 a.m. and obviously everybody's asleep. I was actually about to sleep, but I decided to film a proper outro for this vlog. And when I got back, I was supposed to hang out with Tina and Timmy. I was supposed to hang out with Mega. I was supposed to make another video with a couple of friends, but that couldn't happen because my body decided to betray me. Remember I said I was supposed to resume on the 17th and it's the 21st now. Sickness delayed my resumption, but I'll be resuming in some days. I've started packing. I don't have a lot to pack because I'll be in school for a month. I'll be resuming to hella tests, hella assignments and exams. I don't know how long it'll take me to edit this video. Just hope it doesn't take so long so I can upload before I leave. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.